Hi, this is Chris with Swim Carefree. If you have this problem, old Jandy valves that have the grease fittings on the front, your grease fittings fall off, this is the best way to do it. I use the speed out titanium bits because this is going into plastic, so it's easy to remove them with this. So I've already got the first one removed. I wanted to make sure I tested it out, made sure it worked. So let's do the second one. All this is reverse thread, so you got to go in reverse in order to cut your hole, get it started. Then you flip your bit over. Like I said, it's all reverse thread. And there you go. Thank you.